In this video, we compare two ways of using deep research, running it inside NotebookLM and running it directly in Google Gemini. We'll explain how each method works, point out the main differences, and walk you step by step through running a deep research query in Gemini. Open your internet browser. Open Google Gemini official website. From Tools option, select Deep Research. From Sources you can see, Gemini automatically pulls information from the web, but you can also choose to include data from Gmail, Google Drive, or Google Chat if it's relevant to your research. You also have the option to upload files to support your query. Upload the research paper. Now write prompt to start deep research. Press Enter. Once everything is set, Gemini starts the deep research process. This process takes some time, so we'll check in at different stages as it runs. What stands out is that deep research scans multiple websites at the same time and combines the information into a well-structured response. You'll see several stages where different research sources are used to build the final output. Using this agent-based approach, Gemini Deep Research compiles everything into a detailed, comprehensive report. When the report is finished, you can export it to Google Docs with a single click. Or you can download it directly by clicking on Download. Open it. In this way, you downloaded the report. Next, we move into a brand new blank notebook in NotebookLM. From here, we can also run deep research directly inside the notebook. We click Try Deep Research, enable the feature, and then enter the same research query used earlier. You'll notice options to enable web access and allow NotebookLM to use files from Google Drive if needed. After submitting the query, NotebookLM runs deep research within the notebook itself. Once completed, you'll see a finished report. By clicking the View button, an expanded panel opens that displays all the sources used. These sources can be reviewed individually and imported as new assets into NotebookLM. You can click on any source to open the original web page and evaluate whether it's useful for your research. If it is, you can keep it in your notebook. You can repeat this process for all sources or choose to import everything at once. In this video, we import the executive summary, the full written report, and all associated sources, which are then added directly to NotebookLM. NotebookLM automatically assigns a title and applies a theme to the notebook. Some sources may appear in pink, indicating they can't be imported. You can remove individual failed sources using the three-dot menu or delete all failed sources at once. The remaining sources are fully usable. Deep Research in NotebookLM creates a permanent research asset that includes a complete report, an executive summary, and all supporting sources, all stored within the notebook. Another option is to create a new notebook and import a deep research report generated in Gemini from Google Drive. In this case, you'll have the report as a single source, but you won't have access to the individual sources used to create it. As explained in the linked guide, the best approach depends on your goals. NotebookLM Deep Research is best for long-term and academic research. It works well with your own documents, supports strong citations, and helps you build an organized research library over time. Gemini Deep Research is better for broad topic exploration. It gathers information from the web, explores new areas quickly, and generates structured reports efficiently. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.